Hello everyone, today I share with you the method how I fry the fish crispiest ever. You can see they are ready for making spring rolls with all vegetable and stuffing. Welcome to SaigoncookTravel. I am Saigoncook. If you're new to my channel, please like, share my videos and subscribe. It means a lot to me. Thank you. I have 2 live pink fish. I have about 6 people eating. After clean the inner, I let them dry and I put in the oil. You can see there is one garlic clove in the oil that make flavor, aroma, and don't fishy smell. Don't have fishy smell. After I fry one side, I flip them, and when both sides are done, I put them in the freezer. This is secret to make crispiest ever fish you can fry. You can leave the fish 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, or even a day. You can do this for tomorrow. That's so easy. For the second fry, they crispier the skin, and you notice that I left everything on the scale, the gill, the tail, everything, and that makes very crispy fish. Now I have many kinds to go inside the rice paper rolls. You can see how my niece making one roll. First is pork cooked in coconut water, and then fried tofu, and then this is cassava hash brown. I had the video to share how to make this with you. You can check on my channel for the recipe. And now the last thing is she pick up some fish. You can see many nice good stuffing. Now is the vegetables. I have lettuce, fish mint, perilla, peppermint, sweet mint. After she rolls up, she can dip it in the fish sauce dip. And the fish sauce dip, I will put the link in the description box below for your preference if you like to make that kind of dip. Thank you for watching. I hope you like it. Bye bye.